Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering the 5 best hand rotary cultivators in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Yard Butler TT 4T Hand Garden Tiller. I have to give it to Yard Butler, they swept the hand tiller category this year. There's a good reason for this, though. Their tools are built to last and work beautifully. With this hand tiller, the bladed side will take a deep bite into your soil while the 3-tined fork side will break it neatly up. There's no chance of the head separating from the handle. All steel construction with a welded connection ensures that no matter how hard you're working, it will stand up to the task. The size is great, and the tool is comfortable in the hand. Overall, the Yard Butler offers great functionality for your money. Whether you're working in a raised bed or in the planter next to your porch, this tool will help you loosen your soil. Number 2. Our second best pick is Yard Butler TNT for Garden Twist and Tiller. I chose this because I own and use one of these, and I swear by it. This is one solid piece of equipment. While there are a wide variety of other similar tools on the market, Yard Butler has provided one which takes the best aspects of all of them and combines them. I find the construction on this model is extremely good. All steel from claw to grip, there's no wooden parts to break or weak points. The tines are spaced perfectly for cultivation or tilling, and with a few twists, you've taken a hard patch of ground and turned it into loose aerated soil. A wide foot plate allows for adding your weight to help push the spikes deep into the ground. Really, the ease with which this chews up the ground makes it worthwhile. Even when I find one of the potato-like rocks that are scattered through my yard, this will loosen it and help me get it out of the way. It's the best hand tiller I own, and should be in your tool collection as well. Number 3. Our third best pick is DeWit 5-tine cultivator with P-grip handle. DeWit came very, very close to stealing the top handheld hand tiller position away from Yard Butler with this cultivator. What I love about this is that it's designed to be an heirloom tool. The thick steel tines provide a perfect claw that will cut through the ground like butter. They have nicely sharpened tips to aid in biting deeply into the soil, and it's easy to work with. Its P-handle is long enough that you can use it with a two-handed grip to rip out deeply embedded weeds or to get down into the ground. As the best hand cultivator, this takes top marks, and I would recommend it every single time. But this doesn't beat out Yard Butler for the position of best hand tiller overall. Still, it's a solid and well-crafted tool that would be a great addition to any shed. I know I'd like to get one personally. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Fiskars 40-inch long handle steel tiller. I like Fiskars. They're a solid company with a great number of quality tools. But this one just doesn't quite measure up against the Yard Butler model for a few reasons. The claw's spike placement is a bit closer together. While that can be a benefit, it's a major drawback to me as I do have large rocks hidden in my soil. Wider spacing of tines enables me to slide around them, but the narrower space means that I hit a rock and get stuck. I can find myself scrabbling for purchase, trying to get the rock out of the way. That's a problem for me. If your soil isn't dense hard-packed clay, and doesn't have hidden rocks to get caught in the claw, the Fiskars model will serve you extremely well. I think it's a great tool for the right person. But I still prefer the Yard Butler to this one. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Weasel Garden Claw Pro. Weasel makes great tools. There is no question about that, and I own some of them. But this is an unusual piece, and is great for some gardeners but not all. Let me explain why. It has adjustable tines with 3 spacing profiles, small, medium, and large. Now, this is good, but it presents a minor problem. To adjust these, they have to have a joint which moves. If you're like me and you have hard ground, that movement is not a good thing. Shifting tines means you can't exert as much tilling power unless they're fully tightened down, and you can feel that slight adjustment in your hands. I love the curved shape of the claw itself. I love that for softer soils, you can adjust it and work smaller or larger spaces. It's a phenomenal tool for someone who is maintaining an already worked garden. But if you're looking for a tool which is able to be used for all tilling situations, the price of the garden Weasel is far higher than others. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.